Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some beautiful latest dining table designs, features a sleek and modern aesthetic which are characterized by clean lines. The table surface is crafted from high quality glossy material that adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to your dining space. Its unique base designs offer stability while also adding a touch of artistic flair. These beautiful dining tables are designed to seamlessly blend with various interior styles, making it versatile choice for both casual and formal settings. Whether you are hosting dinner parties or enjoying everyday meal, these dining tables combine functionality and style to create a captivating focal point in any room. I hope you like this beautiful designs. If you like these designs, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.